just make sure it's okay with him. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is it all right if I use your fence?
Go ahead.
If I break it, I'll buy it.
Help yourself.
All right, cool. All right, let's do this. And just there you go. And then now just stay there. Just stay with me a little bit, all right? And now you can release me. Just release me. Just release me. It's complete balance. This whole thing's all about balance. All about balance. All right, you see? All right?
Oh my God, he's
Didn't actually expect to see that with my own eyes.
the weirdest person I've ever seen.